If you're seeking to learn how to sharpen an axe at home or outdoors, this is the page to be. It is perceived that the sharper the axe, the faster and easier it is when working. But before we look into how to sharpen an axe, you must learn how to prepare yourself for the task. First, find strong, sturdy and comfortable gloves to protect your hands and fingers. Next, wear a dust mask if you intend to sharpen the axe in an indoor space. You can also include safety goggles and ear protection when using power tools. What if your axe head is rusty? Well, you need to find steel wool, sandpaper, or rust eraser to get rid of rust before sharpening. Apply even pressure on the steel wool or sandpaper while rubbing the axe head. Do so until it gleams. Now that we've covered how to prepare for axe sharpening, let us look at various ways of sharpening an axe. Quick overview. This guide will cover 6 different ways to do so. Here is a sneak peek at what to expect. How to sharpen an axe with a Dremel. How to sharpen an axe with a belt sander. How to sharpen an axe with an angle grinder. How to sharpen an axe with a file. How to sharpen an axe with a whetstone. How to sharpen an axe with a rock. But why should you go through these lengths to sharpen an axe? Here's why. Why you should sharpen an axe. First, it is safer for you when using a sharpened axe than a blunt one. How so? When chopping with a blunt, rounded shape, you need to apply more force to cut, increasing the axe's likelihood of slipping. Should this happen, you can seriously injure yourself. Second, you save time and energy working with a sharp axe. Ever tried cutting meat using a blunt knife? How much energy and time did that take? The same applies to working with a blunt axe. It does not get any work done, hence the need to sharpen it. Lastly, when you frequently sharpen the edges, they stay sharp and strong for long periods. This improves the durability of the axe. Let's get started. How to sharpen an axe with a Dremel. Dremel tools can easily sharpen axes but at the same time damage them when misused. The most effective Dremel tools have aluminum oxide that strips away metal to hone axe blades. When working with one, have a source of water to cool the axe in case the metal overheats. Sharpening with a Dremel is straightforward, but it's best you learn how to go about it. Here are the steps to take. Step 1. Turn on the Dremel. Step 2. Match the angle on the bevel with the Dremel tool. Step 3. Grind the Dremel from one edge to the other, making circular motions. Apply light pressure. Step 4. Stop grinding once the metal overheats. Step 5. Dunk it in water or let it cool. You do not want the axe head to lose its temper. Step 6. Grind the other side while following steps 2 to 6. Step 7. Use a wire brush to clean the edges and remove the burr.